Hey there! Welcome to Divination Racing Pit Crew Training. I'm Noah, your virtual trainer in the garage today. Ready to dive in and learn how real F1 pit crews work their magic?
Can you help me understand what real hands-on pit crew experience is like?
Awesome! Let us start from the basics. Today, let's try changing the tyres of the F1 car. Are you ready?
Yes, show me how.
Okay, let's go to the wheel gun. It's right over here. Show you how to operate this wheel gun.
Yes, show me how.
Okay, listen carefully. Here's how the wheel nut gun works. Take a look at this indicator. It tells you the status. If it's glowing white, the gun isn't locked yet. When it turns green, the nut is fully loosened and ready to be removed. When it's blue, the nut is fully tightened. Always make sure the indicator is white before you lock the gun. You're ready to remove the nut when it's green, and only detach the gun once it's blue. Now just give it a try. Come over here and I will move aside. Grab the gun with your right or left hand. To operate the gun, pull the trigger by pressing the trigger button of the controller under your index finger. Well done. Now, shall I show you how to lock the wheel nut gun with the wheel nut and loosen it?
Yes, please.
Okay, watch this. To lock the gun properly, keep it coaxial with the wheel nut. That means straight in line with wheel nut. Press the gun firmly against the nut, and the grooves are designed such a way that it will automatically lock into place. No need to force it, the design guides it in. Now, shall I show you how to remove the tyre from the hub and put it back? Okay, let's remove this tyre and put it back. First,
Yes,
let me
show me
unscrew the
how.
nut. Okay, the wheel nut is removed. All right, now I'll remove the tyre briefly and put it back. The front wheel usually weighs around 22 pounds, so it won't be hard to lift. Use the grab button under your middle finger to grab the tyre assembly. Once it's detached from the hub, place it back and tighten the nut firmly. Now the wheel is back on the hub. Let me tighten the wheel nut. Okay, now do you want me to repeat any step, or do you want to try it yourself?
I have a few questions about the tools and how the whole process works.
Sure. What doubts do you have? I'm here to help clarify anything for you.
How heavy is the F1 wheel gun used in pit stops?
The F1 wheel nut gun typically weighs around 4 to 6 pounds, making it lightweight enough for the pit crew to handle quickly during a tyre change. This design allows for rapid operation without sacrificing control. Do you have more questions about the wheel gun or any other aspect of F1?
How are real pit stop wheel guns powered? Are they electric?
In real F1 pit stops, the wheel nut gun used is usually pneumatic. These guns are powered by compressed air, allowing them to deliver the high torque needed to quickly loosen and tighten wheel nuts. Some teams may also use electric guns, but pneumatic systems are more common due to their reliability and speed. Do you have any more questions about F1 technology?
No, I think I'm ready to try changing the tyre myself.
Let me move back so you can try it yourself. Now, remember to wait until the indicator is green to remove the wheel nut and wait until it's blue to lock the nut. Good luck with the tyre change.
Oh, thank you.
Use the grab buttons on your controller to grab the tyre. Well done. Now lock the wheel nut. Remember, keep the gun in position till indicator is blue. Now pull the trigger button and wait till indicator turns blue to remove the gun. Well done. Now you know how to change an F1 car tyre. Now it's all about speed. In real pit stops, the target is under 3 seconds. Once you can hit that mark, you'll be ready to go hands-on with the real F1 car.
This car looks incredible. Can you tell me more about it?
This is our proud F1 car #12, driven by Ash and Shum. It features a lightweight carbon fibre chassis for incredible aerodynamics and handling. The car is powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid power unit, combining a turbocharged V6 engine with an energy recovery system. We've had some great achievements this season, including top 5 finishes in multiple races and a podium appearance. If you have more questions about the car or its features, feel free to ask.
No, that's everything. It's been a wonderful experience. Thank you for your guidance.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions in the future or want to practice more, just let me know. Have a great day.